Just a little show of my tomato collection. First, we have a true determinate bush type tomatoes. They're called a patio tomatoes. They grow up to be only a like Campari sized tomatoes, and we already have early fruits on it. It's an early variety. Next, we have the red husky, which is a semi-hybrid. And then the third kind, we have the Brandywine pink tomatoes, which is an indeterminate tomatoes. Yellow pear is also an indeterminate. Then we have the Celebrity, which is a semi-type. Then we have the Black Prince, which is indeterminate. And the last one is a special tomato called a Oaxacan Jewel from Mexico. And my neighbor actually gave that to us. Here is like some of the labeling. And how to tell the difference between determinate and indeterminate is boils down to the length of time of harvest. Usually a 2 to 3 week period for the determinate, while indeterminate produce food for a longer period and all the way probably to the fall. And the yellow pears actually dates back as far back as 1800. So, and look at the Black Prince, they are beautiful fruits. And this is the Oaxacan Jewel. They are so pretty. Next we have is our red mustard greens. It's growing up pretty well. And we also have a little patch of lettuce down here and more of the green mustard. Those two patches are green mustard right here. Yep, growing well. And we also have a little bit patch of bok choy right there from my fridge. And these are loofahs. And I have my potato plant right here, and they're growing really big now. And these are my spaghetti squash. I have 3 plants in between the rows of the potatoes. One more plant right here. That's the last of the third. And we have also Korean young pumpkins. These pumpkins are green in color, and these are okras. Those are my okras. Hopefully they survive. They're still young, but hopefully they survive. Lemon thyme, lavender, and pineapple sage has a pineapple smell. And we have dill, 3 patches of them, and bay leaves, as well as sweet mint. I like sweet mint the best. And we have cabbage, and these are my Korean radishes, which is coming out. Newspaper down for killing the weeds. And that is my garden bench to watch my garden grow, and this is my weeding chair. Last, I'm gonna show the sweet peas. I have 3 rows of sugar snap. 2 rows of sugar snap, and last row is a little marble, which is peas for freezing. And they are growing pretty well, growing up those support that we are trying to guide them up to. 3 rows of peas. I still have to weed in between the rows. Maybe we should put something down to walk on, like hay or something. And to go into the garden, we have these small pepper seedlings here. There are a variety of different kinds. Surprise! Anyway, this is my blueberry, has buds on them. We will have at least 30 different species of different plants growing in our garden before this year ends. Anyway, this is my garden. Enjoy.